Ka Ophis jong ka district tuberculosis officer riboy district. Menta kasngi kala Rakhe kasngi jong ka Jingpang TB ni ka World TB Day. Kabalaju Rakhe haka pasau tarik leber. Habaro ukoi ka perthei. Badia kate ka jing Rakhe la penlong ha auditorium hall jong ka nungpo parish. Ya kate ka jing Rakhe ka World TB Day. Lawan benci menta do Profesor GD Sharma, Vice Chancellor ka Skulba USTM, Dr. SK Barwa, na Purno Esangma International Medical College USTM. G. Bogohan, WHO Consultant NTEP, Dr. T.S. Mamin, DMHO ka Ribhoy, Dr. E. Kalwing, District Tuberculosis Officer Ribhoy, ki officer na katanat ka koy kakya, kinom ikmat na ka Piramal Foundation, ki kana school, bat kiwi ki rirangba. Nakaliang ka Ophis Dto Rengkat bat ka Piramal Foundation, kum ka Jingpan priang kubor, bat ay masim ki badan benta banrat Diengkhong Ïaka Jingpang TB, ka penkuburomru iki jaka sumar, kinong to kubor na ka district, Kashnong balait na Jingpang TB bat kiwi.
Thank you, sir. Goes to charity. She will be just Our testing rate has really gone up. We are screening so many TB patients in the district, and our testing facility has increased. Testing rate has gone up, and we have seen that there is a decline in the number of TB cases in the River district. So that is a good news for us. This year, I think around 7 villages from River district is going to be our TB-free village, which is quite good. We have started with a very small number. This process has started just now, and gradually will be with the help from all the stakeholders, all of you. I was discussing with Sir also, even from Medical College, PSMA Medical College, USTM. So it's now TB is a battle which we have to fight together. So if all of us come together and we go to the villages, house to house, we screen the TB patient, do the test of the presumptive TB cases or doubtful TB cases, and then diagnose them and put on treatment, we can come up with more number of TB-free villages maybe in the next year. So this is something which is very good news for us. So I won't make it long. Also, I'd like to mention a few more things here. That all the new diagnostic tools recommended by the Central TB Division Government of India is available in the district. So let us try to use those new diagnostic tools. The standard treatment regimen, drugs, recommended by WHO and Government of India is available. So let us use all those new regimen to for the best management of the TB patient. And also one very important thing is the TB preventive treatment, which is a new concept under the program. So I would like to raise the awareness here that the context of TB patient who might be having some infection of TB, those are not actually active TB cases, these are having infection of TB. So they can be provided the TB preventive treatment to prevent TB in the future.
Though the infection may also not be confirmed as TB unless other symptoms, as have been shown by V2, are there. Once that symptoms telling TB person is there, at that stage we need to take him to doctor, because this may spread to others, but good thing is it can be cured. As we all know that the curing agent is an antibiotics. And the first antibiotics after the discovery of actinomycetes in 1944 from soil. After the first rain, you must have smelled a different kind of smell coming from the soil. This smell is because the actinomycetes present in this dried soil, they have these antibiotics. So the first isolation in 1944-45 of Streptomyces, that's what a separate group of bacteria is there, and this Streptomyces produced an antibiotics known as streptomycin. So this actinomyces was cultured in Germany and France, then taken to US to produce more antibiotics because people were suffering but no such curable disease which can be cured was not properly known, though other chemicals were used. In the meantime, as we know that this bacterium is aerobic one, it infects lungs, it remains in lungs, but very slow growing bacteria. So in many countries, for natural control, sanatorium were created. I remember in Shillong also near the assembly, near Police Bazaar, there was a sanatorium. And people used to be sent to sanatorium